Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janice. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you guys pack my things. Since we are going to move our accommodation, so we are shifting very soon. So I'm gonna share with you guys all my things that I'm going to pack. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and it's time to pack my things. So let's go to the video.
In few days we are going to move, so I need to pack my own things. And now I'm taking all my stuff from my cabinet with all my wallets and everything in my box. So I'm gonna cover it and put the bags inside the box. Is my medicine kit. These are all my medicines. So I have complete medicines here. So I'm going to separate all my medicines in one medicine kit. I actually talking to someone because my friend is with me, so she's helping me, but she's off showing camera. So since my friend, she don't want to be in front of the camera, so she just in front of me and taking all my videos. So now I'm wrapping our griller. So this griller is, by the way, it's from my friend. Shout out to Bianca. Yeah, she gave it to me. Thank you, my friend. And this is the rack. This is from Bianca. She gave it to me as well. And this is the rice cooker. She also gave it to me. And I have show rack. And these are all my cartoons and luggages that are full, bags, and still I have some stuff inside. So I have shelves as well and hanging cloths. This cabinet is from my friend Bianca. She gave it to me since she's going back to home for good. And this is how it looks like. So this is the big box that's supposed to be I'm going to send back home, but unfortunately I cannot send it now. As you can see in the video, it's a lot. Now I'm writing a name and the address where I'm going to move. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.